Good evening, everyone. This evening we are going to cover a kind of psychological subject. Title of the subject is very fascinating. The title is Learners Must Be Citius, Altius, Fortius. Citius, meaning they must be shifter. Everything that they take, whatever the goal, whatever the task, whatever the work, whatever the responsibilities, whatever the duties they take in their hand, they must do it swiftly without wasting any kind of time. So they can do two goals, two tasks within the time of one task. Other person can do actually one task in hour that CTS student can do two tasks within the same 1 hour. Learning and earning both must be swifter. They must achieve their goals swiftly without any kind of dabbling. They must be very serious and they must sink their teeth into their goal so deep, so tenaciously that the goal must never escape. They should work very hard for that, and hard and fast and furious, both. Not only fast, not only furious, but fast and furious. Swifter and also very furious with lots of zeal, lots of zest, lots of enthusiasm. They should actually chase after their goal, achieve the goal, and don't miss the goal at any or at all price. You hold the job, hold the goal. Goal must not be escaped, and for that goal, you must be very, very serious. Point number two, altius means better. You must be better than all your colleagues. You must be better than all your competitors. You must be better than all your classmates. You must be better than all your co-workers who are working with you in the same company. Or if you are competing with any large MNC, then there too you must be better than any other competitive or your competitor MNC. If you are not better, you cannot get better. You get better, you get better benefit, get better dividends, and better success. You have to be better than the next. You cannot afford to be worse than others. Other people should not actually make you to follow them. Other people must not make you second fiddle. Other person must not make you follower. Other person must not make you belittled, smaller than them. But you have to try to be better. You have to try to be altius. If you are altius, you are ahead of everyone else in your sphere, in your vista, in your arena. Point number three is fortius, meaning higher. Your goal must be higher, your objective must be higher, you must be targeting higher goals, you must be targeting astronomical achievements, you must be targeting apogee. You must not actually target a small goal. According to Abul Kalam, our former president, small goal is a crime. So, no, you are not going to perpetrate a crime by targeting a small goal. But your goal must be absolutely grandeur. Your goal must be king size goal, and that goal must be higher goal. You must be targeting astronomical achievement. You must be trying to achieve apogee of your goal, apogee of your dream, apogee of your accomplishments. You are never going to be satisfied with small thing, never going to be satisfied with minuscule success. Every single thing, only progress, no plateau. Plateau must not be there, plateau must be avoided, progress must be achieved, and progress must be astronomical progress. So these are the three qualities every learner must have. If the learners are going to cultivate these three qualities while learning, while they are still student, while they are still in college, they will always have these qualities with them when they are going to be in the profession or vocation or running the company or small scale company, mid scale or large cap companies. This is something they should learn during the learning phase of their life. If you miss these in your learning phase of life, if you are in the college or university or high school, and if you don't learn this thing, you will never learn after that when you are going to step into reality of your life. So learn it, try to be like that, try to be Citius, Altius, and Fortius. If you are not Citius, Altius, Fortius, you are second fiddle. Other person will be Citius, Altius and Porteus, and you are going to follow him. You are going to be second fiddle. You are going to be second class citizen, and that is no fun. Happiness is always at the top, not at the bottom. So that's all the time we have. Thank you very much for listening. See you again next time. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Amen.